graphics.
Hi, so here in this video I'm going to show you how we can find and replace missing fonts in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started this video. So as you can see here, I have already opened a document where you can see all the fonts are getting missed. So let's see how we can replace these all fonts together in Adobe InDesign. So currently you can see here it is applied Laura font which is missing here. That means this font is not available in my system. So one thing, you can simply download this font and install in your system, then this font will be updated automatically. But if you want to replace this font with any other font, so simply have to click on type, and here you can find the option find font. Now you have to click here, and here you can see this font which is Laura TT regular, which is missing here. So simply have to select that particular font that is missing, and here you have to select the fonts family from which you want to replace this font. So for instance, I want to replace this font with something like Meriwether or Montserrat regular. Okay, so simply have to click on find first and change. Now you can see here this font has been changed. So to replace all the fonts together, simply have to click on change all. Once you will click on change all, you can see here in this document all the font got replaced that was missing. So this is quite simple and easy way for finding and replacing any type of font which is missing in the file. So hope you come to know how to find and replace font in Adobe InDesign. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content.
Graphics.